Charge you like $2, man. We can only $200 like $5. I should be doing man. Let me go to the medium. You want large or medium? Medium? Medium Coke. Why you think I'm going to this shit?
What? Go where? Oh, nah, I'm good. Rose, I'm good. Hey, Rose, I want $10, nigga. What? I want $10, nigga.
You didn't even have to pay, son.
We I hate cheesesteak with wings.
I hate wings.
No onions, no peppers.
I get ketchup.
Yo, you putting on mayo summer?
It's good. You know what I'm saying? They're in the building in Philly. Getting the Philly cheesesteak. You know what I'm saying? We got Chubsy in the building. That's for my bro.
1:15 in the fucking
Yo, bro. It's right here.
Tired as hell. Just got out of one show. About to head right back on the road. DC, we coming, baby.
Got chicken. Chicken steak.
Y'all need booty, y'all tripping.
No, I thought. What you get, bro? What you get? Two. What you want? Tuesday?
Yeah.
What cheese you want? American? Okay, one cheese steak American.
Rowdy City.
You want onions?
Yeah. What's good? Just came from our headlining show on tour. Pretty nice crowd. My voice is done. Thank you very much. My voice is done. Dope performance. Dope crowd. I'm out here with my peoples now. Starving Marvin. Lost my voice. It's all good, man. Turn it up.
This is vlog right here? It's going?
It's always rolling.
It's shooting right now?
It's shooting right
so
now.
So y'all gonna upload this one when it's done?
Right now.
Alright. Word, Rowdy. Let them know the tour dates.
Yeah,
let them know what we doing right now.
This was the second date on our tour. The next date is in Washington, D.C.
26, man.
Live from the Tropicalia. Get your tickets. Bring friends. Invite the whole town out because we're coming to make this shit.
And I got the wrong cheese, man. I wanted the yellow cheese. Yeah, man. I'm gonna get the yellow cheese.
Well, I think you got yellow American. I think you got American.
I got the white. I wanted the yellow cheese.
Yeah, you gotta get the yellow mouse.
They don't get receipts.
My fault, man.
Hell yeah. Whoa. They put lettuce and tomato.
Nah, little onions, you know. Nothing like.
Them boys up this time.
You get lettuce and tomato? Oh no, you made it already?